So this CRT or cathode ray tube is a very important component of CRT based monitors. Okay, so to understand the working of CRT based monitors, it is very important to understand the working of cathode ray tube. Then only you can understand the working of CRT based monitors. Okay, so today we'll see the working of this cathode ray tube. So this is a diagram of a cathode ray tube. This is an electron gun, and in this electron gun there is a heating filament. A very high voltage is given to this heating filament, and because of this high voltage the electrons start emitting from this electron gun. So the function of this electron gun is to emit the negatively charged electrons. Okay, now this is a control grid. The function of this control grid is to control the amount of electrons coming out from the electron gun. Now this control grid is negatively charged. So if a strong negative voltage is applied to control grid, then this negative charge and electrons are also negative charge, they repel each other. So if a strong negative voltage is applied to control grid, then the amount of electron coming out from the electron gun will be less, and if a weak negative voltage is applied to control grid, then a very high intensity of electrons coming out from the electron gun. So the basic function of this control grid is to control the amount of electrons coming out from the electron gun. Now next is the focusing unit. Now the function of focusing unit is to focus or it controls the path of electron beam which is passing. The function of this focusing unit is to adjust the path of this electron beam. For example, if you want this electron beam to strike the screen at this point, so the focusing unit will shift the line of this electron beam so that it will strike to the upper portion of screen. If the need arises where the electron beam has to strike at the bottom portion of a screen, then the focusing unit will adjust so as to adjust the path of electron beam, and electron beam strikes to the downward portion of a screen. So the function of focusing unit is to adjust the path, and it has given a positively charged voltage. So because of the positive negative, the electrons get attracted and they shift its path from the original position and shift to a new position, and because of this it changes the path as and when required. Now the third components are accelerating unit. So the function of accelerating unit is to accelerate or to increase the velocity of electrons coming out from electron gun. The higher the velocity or higher the acceleration, higher the velocity with which it strikes the screen, and a bright spot will appear on a screen. We'll see how the bright spot appear on a screen. So the function of accelerating unit is to accelerate the electrons coming out from the electron gun. Now this electron beam strikes to the inside portion of a screen. Okay, this is a screen, and here you can see that this screen is coated with a phosphor coating from inside. Now why this phosphor coating is provided? This is a complete phosphor coating which is provided from inside the screen. Okay. Now what is the property of a phosphor? Now आपने कभी जुगनू देखा है? जुगनू, तो इफ यू सी a jugnu in night, then you get the illumination that it emits the light, but jugnu doesn't emits light. It is the phosphor which it contains emits the light. So the property of phosphor is to emit the light, okay, and using that property, the screen is coated with phosphor from inside the screen, okay, and whenever this electron beam strikes to the screen, that particular spot gets illuminated and a bright spot appears on a screen. If you remember some old TVs, whenever you switched off a TV, then you will see a bright spot appears at the center of the monitor, okay. So the function of this phosphor coating is to get illuminated whenever there is a striking of this electron beam, okay. So this is how this CRT works. So it starts from the electron gun. It has a heating filament. A strong voltage is applied to heating filament. Because of that, it emits the electrons. To control the amount of electron coming out from the electron gun, the control grid is provided. To adjust the path of electron beam, a focusing unit is provided. To accelerate the speed of this electrons or electron beam, this accelerating unit is provided, and then from the inside of the screen a phosphor coating is provided so as to get a bright spot on a screen whenever there is a striking of electron beam. So this is a working of CRT, and all the CRT based monitors, they works on the principle of this cathode ray tube.